Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to continue working on part 7 of this house build. Let's get started. So in the last video, we were able to add the fascia and then we fixed some of the irregularities of our modeling. We even fixed our roof. Now we're going to continue working on this. First, we're going to add in our gate. So let's go to our south elevation, and then from our south elevation we're gonna create or model our gate. So go to architecture and then component, model in place, and this will be another generic model. And then here we're gonna click on extrusion, and then we're gonna pick a plane, and we're going to choose this plane, and then from there we're gonna extract. So I'm gonna use a rectangle, and then we're gonna change the material to a metal material. So let's go to metal right here, and then let's choose the bronze, and then we could just change it once we're in Twinmotion. So now after that, I'm gonna add in the gate like so. So it's gonna be bolted on the wall here, and then to this wall as well. And then after that, let's use the offset right here. We're gonna offset this to 100. And we might do a half and half. So half here and half there. But for now, let's just do this. And then we're gonna add in some design. So for now, I'm gonna do this and then copy multiple. And then I'm gonna tap them and then make sure shift is or control is selected, and hold once you select this line, and then click on copy again. Make sure multiple is checked, and we're just going to add it onto this space. So this two right here, we're just going to put this on the side right here. And then the side right here. And then we're gonna add in our gate here. And then we're going to add the midpoint gate as well right here. And then I'm gonna offset that to 50. And also 50 on the other side. And then SL. And then TR. And then let's add this one as well in the middle. Let's click finish for now, and I want to see it. So that looks okay. I'm gonna push it back to there. And then I'm gonna edit this again. Sorry, not edit, but let's do another extrusion. And then we're gonna pick again this spot. And then we're going to do this on the other. And then let's just finish this. We're just gonna go do one side first. And then make sure to change this material to wood. Let's use this. Apply and then OK. Click finish. And then create another one. Same thing. Pick this plane and do the same thing. I just want to do this. And then move this one like that. And then SL. So erase this first and then SL. And then TR. Click finish. And let's look at it at 3D again. That looks fine. Then let's go back to south elevation again. And then just create the door for this. And I'm gonna put a different extrusion. And this will be a different wood pattern. Let's align this and click finish. Now, the only thing that we need to do is not to get confused with how it is. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use the plane at the back there. So I'm just gonna change this to hidden for now. AL. I'm gonna align at the back here. And then I'm gonna align there. Then I'm gonna line in the front again, and then there. And if we see it in realistic, it will look like that. Obviously, we're going to change the materials there. And then here, let's just add in another model in place just to add a doorknob there. So I think we could just use an extrusion. And then here, what we could do is let's just use the front and then regular extrusion. Pick a plane. Let's pick this plane. And then let's change this to a metal. And then just a simple door handle like that. Click finish and then look at it at 3D and just push it back like that. That's good enough. So I'm just gonna push this back a little. So let's go to level 2. I want to push this back just about there. I'm just gonna align it from here and then from level 1 as well. Now I want to push this back to the same one right here. So what I can do is I can just go to 3D and then I'm just gonna align it from this face. So that one, you need to push. I'm gonna push this back all the way right here to this wall. Or what I can do is just show you a split element because I want to have the same one on this side. But I'm gonna push this one AL all the way right here. So aligned it again from this wall. And then here we have marble. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna split this element right here, and then I'm gonna create a line from here all the way down. After that, click finish, and then same thing at the other side. And then click finish. Now we can select paint and then marble, and then we could select this face, and as you can see, we don't need to split anything anymore. The one at the top, it's fine. We could create something at the top to cover. So we could go to, I just want to see what the materials that we use here. Birch glossy, and then we could just create generic model, and then here we could just create a sweep. Pick path, although some of them we need to move back a little bit there. We could use TR to trim them as well. So once we click finish, edit profile, we just need to create something like that. And I'm gonna edit the one at the back. We don't need the one at the back anymore. And then I'm just gonna trim that. And let's change this to birch glossy. Click finish, edit pick path, delete this at the back, and then click finish. So we have that. So let's stop here for now and continue in the next video. Thank you for watching and I hope you liked the video. Please hit like and subscribe. Feel free to comment down below.